my stand mixer can't stand up to the pressure. So even though it's a 6-quart mixer, I'm gonna have to do this by hand. So I'm treating it. I remember how to do this. I've got to knead it just like I used to do. So when you're kneading by hand, just keep it moving. Find something to think about, put some music on, and get moving. Get your hands dirty. Don't use too much flour now. Use the counter. See how that's sticking to the counter? Use the counter to help you to stretch the dough. Now, you don't want to stick up, a whole lot. But the fact is, you don't want to incorporate a whole bunch of flour after you've already put the flour in that the recipe calls for. So we'll need this. We get a window pane that works. You see how that's tearing? It needs to be kneaded some more. So I'll be sitting here for a while working on this until it's smooth. All right, go have lunch or something.